Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business product feature image using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and select the Posterize adjustment layer because this product image needs a stylized professional look. I duplicate the background for safety. I adjust the Posterize levels slowly while observing changes in color blocks and details. Business visuals demand calm precision and hierarchy. Some areas lose clarity, so I mask them carefully with a soft brush. I zoom in to refine edges and transitions. I choose colors strategically to emphasize the main product features for the business audience.